Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Toyota RAV4 XLE. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 inline 4-cylinder pushing out 176 horsepower. For wheels we got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black interior, sunroof. RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive badging. Open up the tailgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Power windows. Steering wheel controls. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Automatic transmission. This Toyota has 77,031 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota, check out feldmannimports.com.